calling KNS Hotel. This is Erica Garcia speaking. How may I help you today?
Good morning. I would like to make a room reservation for one person for next month.
Before we proceed to the reservation process, may I know who is on the line?
This is Princess Camille.
Thank you, Ms. Lee, for accuracy. Please allow me to start. Ms. Lee, connect the calendar.
Sure.
Princess. P for Papa, R for Romeo, I for India, N for November, C for Charlie, E for Echo, and S for Charlie. Camille. C for Charlie, A for Alpha, M for Mike, I for India, L for Lima, L for Lima, and E for Echo. Eve. L for Lima, I for India, and M for Mike. Did I spell your name correctly, ma'am?
Yes, that is correct.
May I know, ma'am, your preferred check-in and check-out days?
Do you have any vacancies for April 25 to 27?
Absolutely, Ms. Dean. Please allow me to put you on hold for a moment while I'll check our availability for those weeks.
Okay.
Thank you for waiting, Ms. Dean. Yes, we do have several rooms available for those dates. May I know what is your preferred room type, ma'am?
Do you have any premier rooms available?
Certainly, ma'am. One moment, please. Let me verify that.
Okay.
Thank you for your patience, ma'am. Unfortunately, all of our premier rooms are fully booked for April. However, we do have a deluxe rooms available for your entry stay. Would you like to reserve a deluxe room for now? We can arrange a room transfer for you as soon as the room becomes available.
Okay. No problem.
And also, ma'am, I would like to inform you that we have updated our room rates. Would you like to hear our current pricing, Ms. Lee?
Well, what's the rate per night?
For our deluxe room, the rate is 6,405 pesos net per night. This is inclusive of taxes, complimentary breakfast, and high-speed Wi-Fi internet, and full access to our hotel facilities.
Okay, that's a reasonable price.
Wonderful. Also, I'd like to inform you of our cancellation policies. You may cancel free of charge up to 24 hours before your arrival. Cancellation made after that period will incur a one-night room charge.
I will take note of that.
Regarding your preferences, Ms. Lee, would you prefer a smoking or non-smoking room?
Definitely non-smoking.
Understood? A non-smoking room it is. And for a bedding, would a queen size bed be suitable for you?
A queen sounds great.
Do you have any special request? We can prepare for your stay time.
Excited ka?
Yes, if possible, I would like a room with an ocean view.
Certainly, Ms. Lee, I've noted your request for an ocean view, and we will do our best to prioritize this for you, depending on our availability when you arrive. Is there anything else I can help you with, ma'am?
Also, I would like to request an extra set of slippers.
Sure, ma'am, we have an extra pair of slippers. Delivered to your room right away.
Great!
Would you like to confirm your reservation, Ms. Lee?
Yes, I would like to confirm the reservation.
have the name of the person who will be staying, ma'am?
That would be me, Princess Camilla.
Okay, Miss Lee, your reservation is now verified. May I have your contact number, ma'am?
It's your 945-567-0544.
Please allow me now to repeat your contact number. It's 0945-5670-544. Is that correct, ma'am?
Absolutely.
Okay, ma'am. How would you like the bill to be settled?
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, ma'am. May I get your credit card information to reserve the room for you? And may I know what kind of card it is?
It's Visa. The number is 987-654-321.
Thank you, Miss Lee. Please allow me to repeat your booking details for confirmation.
Absolutely.
May I have a name of the card holder, please?
It's me, Princess Camilla.
Thank you, Miss Lee. Please allow me to repeat your booking details for confirmation.
Okay.
Alright, Miss Lee, your reservation has been made for 25th until 27th of April. A 2-night stay for a deluxe room with a queen-size bed and an extra pair of slippers. And of course, with an ocean view and non-smoking room, your bill will be settled via Visa amounting of 12,810 pesos. Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes, it is correct.
Thank you, Ms. Lee. Your reservation number is KNS 0123456. Kindly keep this number for your reference. Your check-in time is 2 p.m. We wish to inform you about the policy, ma'am. Please be advised that you have to check in not later than 6 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel reserves the right to give the room to the waitlisted clients.
Alright, thank you for informing me.
My pleasure, ma'am. Is there anything else I can help to assist you with, ma'am?
No, that would be all.
Thank you for choosing Kenneth Wellness Day. We look forward to welcome you on April. Have a wonderful day, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Garcia. Goodbye.
I just had to let you know you're